We, Arcturian councils of light, are with you. We will assist in opening your energy channels now. We begin by asking you to feel your auric fields. We wish you to visualize your 7 internal chakras and visualize how they stream energy out through the confines of your skin into your auric field. Push the light out front and back, left and right, above and below, as we have been training you to. Spin the golden thread of light around the outside of your auric field. Feel yourselves absolutely encased within this golden cocoon. We ask you to push your auric field out now into the nature around you. Even if you are indoors, push the energy out. And this starts to make you feel wibbly wobbly like jelly. You are aware of your auric field moving out 7, 9, 11 meters, 22, moving out into the trees, the mountains, the earth, the sky, all around you. Even if it is daytime, you feel your auric field, accepting the energy of the stars now, of the sun, of the core crystal, of the great tree beings. You are expanding your auric field out into all that is. This is a wonderful feeling, is it not? Allowing your energy to be in union with the energy of all that is. Hear the bird song and the frogs. Hear the whisper of the butterfly wings. Hear the sounds of nature within your auric field. And feel how these animals and their sounds, their songs, are unifying into the energy of you now. You are one with all that is. You experience yourself as one with all that is. Watch your breath now and allow your breath to move from time to time into that deep stillness that we call the no breath. Suspended beyond time and space, in union with all that is. Experience yourselves as light, joining now with the light of all that is in creation. Feel how the waves of love emanate from your chest out through your body and through this ultimate expansion of auric field into union with the love of all in creation. You are divine, crystalline, angelic beings of light, and you experience yourselves as this now. Light beyond light, love beyond love, truth beyond truth. You are one with Source. In this momental portal, you open now. Opening with overflowing love. And to become one with all that is. Remembering how to feel this now, so that you may come back to this experience over and over again in your meditation, so that you may come back to this experience simply while sitting in nature or walking. Choose an aspect of nature now to communicate with. Whether it is trees or ocean or bird or whale or dragonfly, simply choose one aspect of nature and send a message of love to this aspect from your heart of hearts. Visualize the one heart active now, tapping 3 times on the heart space and affirming, "My one heart is active now." Visualizing the diamond, crystal, turquoise frequency flowing out from you, seeking the same in this aspect of nature. Feeling how this pale, silvery, turquoise diamond light is within you and this aspect of nature also, and moving into resonance with it, sending the message out, "I am love, I love you. I honor, love, and respect you, as I honor, love, and respect myself. I am one with you." Feeling this love resonance between yourself and this aspect of nature, and then choosing another aspect. Perhaps the crystal kingdom, perhaps a specific crystal, such as amethyst within that kingdom. perhaps your sun star, perhaps the Pleiadian star system. Simply let your heart and not your mind choose an aspect of the created universe and allow your turquoise crystalline frequency to move into resonance with that. You are experiencing yourself as a crystalline angelic being of light, divine in nature, here to be of service. What you are creating in your inner mind through your visualization is the ascended planet. You are allowing yourself to be fifth dimensional. And as you are now on this Christed planet with the Christed population of human beings, you use this energy to love each other. Focus specifically on the human kingdom now, on all humans. And send a wave of turquoise crystalline frequency out. As you know, not all human beings are presently activated on a one heart level, but you are assisting them now in remembering how that feels. And they receive this message even in their sleep time or dream time, or on a higher self level. They feel this turquoise crystalline energy radiating out across the planet in a wave. We ask all of you who recognize that your true purpose is service, and that this is your greatest joy, to do this daily now, perhaps several times a day. Over the next 3 months, until the culmination of the June solstice 2020, we ask you to learn these methods as you step into the light portal. We ask you to master these methods of auric expansion, of one heart activation. Place your hands on your hearts now and come back into a sense of your physical body on this physical planet. With great love, we bid you farewell. Namaste.